To check your transaction history on Principis Capital, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Principis Capital website and enter your login credentials. Make sure to use the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Look for the main menu or navigation bar where you can access different sections of your account. Step 3. Access the transactions section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Filter your transactions. If available, use the filtering options to narrow down your transaction history by date type or amount. This will help you find specific transactions more easily. Step 5. Review and download. Once you have located the desired transactions, review the details provided. If you need a record, look for a download option to save your transaction history as a document. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Principis Capital. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.